I receive a lot of questions from students or from colleagues who would like to know more about how to get involved in the field of sexual health or psychosexual therapy, sexuality education, so forth, so on. So this is a video for you. First of all, I recommend that you look at the target group that you would like to work with. Is it young, senior citizens of the society, able, disabled, men, women? And what sort of issues would you like to deal with? Like, for example, would you like to do general psychology with them, for example, deal with anxiety, depression, and these sort of issues, and then tap into sexuality? Or would you like to only do sexual dysfunction? Or would you like to only deal with relational issues of sexual problems? So these are the things that you need to think about. Also, you benefit from thinking about the interaction that you would like to have with people. Like, for example, would you like to do one-on-one counseling or in one-on-one setting, one-on-one education? Would you like to do group interaction? Would you like to be at a policy level to make changes, but then you're not interacting necessarily with the actual people within the societies? And would you like to go to schools to teach sexuality? Would you like to just do research or in lab or human research? So these are the things that you need to think about. So the target group, the interaction you would like to have, the number of people that you would like to interact with, the impact of your work, well, the immediate impact of your work, what would it be, the group or the individual, etc., etc. The colleagues that you're going to have, what sort of colleagues would you like to have in your life? Educators, counselors, therapists, medical doctors who specialize in sexual medicine. What sort of collegial atmosphere you would like to have around you? What sort of practice atmosphere you would like? Would you like to practice in an individual setting, like individual practice? Would you like to be in a school? Would you like to be in an institution? So where would you like to work? And also, you have to take into account the logistics, of course, which sometimes, override everything that we discussed so far, because the finances, how long would it take, the course that you would like to take? How many languages do you speak? What degree you would like to do, and in what country they are available to you. And so these are the logistics that you also need to think about. One thing, unfortunately, I have to say about our field, specifically if you would like to do the therapy side of things, psychosexual therapy, there is no straight route to do that, especially in North America. So many people go through the route of getting licensed as some sort of a mental health counselor, psychologist, social worker, and then they go through whatever training that they can find, ad hoc training or some sort of other systematic trainings, to gain the knowledge and expertise and skills that is needed to be a psychosexual therapist. On that note, I really highly recommend start with self-reflection then, and then move on to the logistics. Because many people just approach me just blank, and they say, oh, we heard a lecture, we became interested. We saw a movie, we became interested. Or it just sounds fascinating to talk to people about their, private portion of their life that they don't disclose with somebody else. And also, having said that, that would be interesting just to keep yourself under check as well. Why are you interested to do this? So these are the things that all come together to shape your perspective, and also hopefully will help you with your life plan that you have for your career. And of course, I will be here to help in any way I can. Good luck.